Listen to the weather.
Automated weather observation. Wind 060 at 05.
Are you feeling fine?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. You know what? We're going to make it interesting. If you see an airplane before I do, you will get $1.
Oh, yeah, I won't. I mean, I won't see one before you.
If I see it before you, I'll get $100.
From me?
Yes.
Yeah. How big is the biggest airplane out here?
I've seen jets fly from here, but there's 2 airplanes at least ahead of us. Are you guys ready? Can I go ahead of you?
Yeah, you can totally go ahead of us.
Thank you.
Caldwell 5 on uniform, clearing Alpha 5, taxi east end.
Okay, there comes the sun.
Remarks. Density altitude 1,200. Thunderstorm. Information not available.
Any airplanes? I don't see any. Okay. You ready?
I'm ready.
Temperatures are looking good.
This is so cool.
There is fog there and mist. We'll see.
Yeah.
By the way, I'm going to turn my lights on too, so because it's a little bit foggy and...
Oh, this is awesome.
Look to your right. Water. So, you're just, like I say, you're my second set of eyes. Our traffic departing to the north. I think, to your 3 o'clock right now. Can you see me? I'm a little bit higher than you. I'm a yellow aircraft. Affirmative, we got insight.
I'm amazed. Look at all this open land.
I love flying everyone here because it just, the surface of these little mounds or hills or whatever you want to call them.
Earth is amazing.
12 years of doing that, Debbie. No, actually more. I started flying when Zach was born. In fact, before that, I was already taking lessons. So call it 15, 16 years. So this is telling us how much fuel that we are burning. So 2.9 gallons per hour.
That's not
nothing.
bad.
That's nothing.
Hubler, we see it off my speed departing.
We see Emmett yet?
Yeah.
Where is it?
You will see.
It's right
this is
here.
all Emmett. Hey, Debbie.
Yes?
You have just joined the Mile High Club. So 5280 feet is 1 mile.
I knew
Wave
it.
to the camera in front of you right there.
I'm in the
You did it.
High Club.
The kids are going to watch this video,
Thanks
so
for
if you really
taking
want
me
to.
to the Mile High Club.
So now I'm going to start descending a little. Now we're in the Emmett Valley. Look at the both sides. You have the hills, and there's a little valley in the middle. And of
course, if you go on the other side, the hills get a little bit more in height. But this, isn't this beautiful? Like, look
Gorgeous.
at it. It's just fantastic.
I just love it.
Debbie, take our picture together.
Okay, do a thumbs up.
I thought I would see more like orchards in Emmett,
Right.
but I don't see them.
Well, on that side, too, it is pretty green when we go
Up
fly
against
over
the-
Emmett, yeah. But, you know, Idaho is a dry desert. So now, in front of you is I-84.
Going
Is
back,
what?
I-84 is in front of you. You see it?
Right there?
Yeah, that's I-84.
Oh. It looks so small.
That's what she said.
You know exactly how to get back, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to start making our descending approach. Do you know where the airport is? It's exactly to your right there. See the hangars by the road?
Yeah.
That's where the airport is.
So we're going to come in this way.
We're going to go enter 45, so you just can't go straight in there. You have to enter 45 into the pattern.
Right.
Call traffic 6 Romeo Zulu is left downwind 12 Colo.
Best time ever. Awesome.
Look at the view down there, Debbie. You're flying over the interstate.
Oh, there's only one runway.
Yep.
I thought there was two.
Call traffic, Sky 15 Delta, left base for 12, call traffic.
I'm going to land kind of at the end because our hangar is there.
Caldwell traffic, Sky 160 Mike Echo, turning left crosswind 12, Caldwell.
I'm going to go turn by our...
Beautiful.
How was it?
It was a beautiful landing.
You are so nice.
Oh, I'm being honest. That is the truth.
And we have everything on the video. So you cannot tell later that no, that was scary.
Okay, so we still look at the traffic. Call traffic 6 Romeo Zulu off the active call. See, when I talk in there, I'm just like so piloty.
Such a little deep voice.
So when you do a little...
When you talk like...
there you go, deeper voice, like I'm a real pilot, so I talk like this.
You know, I'm a pilot myself.
Oh, you are? What's your record for longest
11 seconds.
Let's hear it.
Folks from the tower, they've cleared us to push back. We'll be departing shortly.
Hey, that's great.
Caldwell traffic, Skyhawk 160 Mike Echo, turning left base 12, Caldwell.
Okay, Debbie. Do you want to say anything about today's flight experience?
October 19th,
Yeah.
2022. Best flight ever.
Yes.
With Captain Riz.
That's right.
That's
what was
right.
your best part of the flight? You like takeoff, landings, just looking at the hills, like there's something that
all
you
the
like.
sights. The landing was incredibly smooth.
That's me. Cool, dude. Yes. Awesome. Well, thank you for flying with the airline Rizzy, Rizzy's airline,
Oh, it was my pleasure.
where we make sure that everyone joins the Mile High Club.
Yes, and I did. I did.
Well,
That's
awesome. Well, have a great day. We'll do a flight again.
okay.
Thanks.